Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use personal capital for wealth management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with personal capital for wealth management, first, visit the personal capital, click on the Get Started button to create your account. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link and click on it. Next, log in to your newly created personal capital account. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to connect your financial accounts. Select the types of accounts you want to link, such as bank accounts, investment accounts, and retirement accounts. Enter your bank's login credentials in the Secure Connection window. Personal Capital uses bank-level encryption to protect your data. Once all your accounts are linked, take a few moments to explore the dashboard. Your dashboard will display an overview of your net worth, investments, and cash flow. To gain insights into your investments, navigate to the Investing section. Here, you can analyze your asset allocation and compare it to your investment goals. Next, explore the Retirement Planner feature to project your retirement needs. Input your current savings, expected retirement age, and desired retirement income. The tool will provide a personalized projection of your retirement readiness. You can also analyze your cash flow in the Budgeting section. Set up a budget by categorizing your income and expenses. Monitor your spending habits to identify areas for improvement. Be sure to regularly review your financial dashboard to stay updated on changes. Utilize the Fees Analyzer feature to evaluate the fees associated with your investment accounts. This tool helps you understand how fees impact your overall investment growth. For additional guidance, explore the educational resources provided by Personal Capital. Consider scheduling a consultation with a financial advisor through the platform. Utilize the mobile app for on-the-go access to your financial information. Regularly check your accounts and update your financial goals as necessary. By consistently using Personal Capital, you will gain greater control over your wealth management strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.